In this section, in author talk about each others. It also talk about different type of family group, stories and rules. Narratives are especially important to family as they serve a variety of found precautions that include reinforcing shared goals, teaching morals, values, and stress family concern. That's the most important about this is help family members understand family identity and the foundation because it is very meaningful of them. Rituals and others way family is create thoughts communication. Baxter and Braithwaite 2006. Rituals and also a feature to show main, mainly culture. They can show the family food, drink, gift, crops, and well as sport. Rituals aren't the only way that families create their own communication system. They also have their own family rules. For example, if they are coming late for the home, they are obliged to inform their parents. They are late. That is the family rules. All families are system. Group hall members interact with another from a hall. Page 316 interplay. The communication system within the family is so important that members can express their need and concern openly and honestly that allowed family members to express their different as love and admiration for the others. After I read in this section, I agree with the author because of my different culture background. I grow up traditional Sri Lankan family. Now we are America. Therefore, essential of the communication with the family before doing a small task, especially since it is essential for me to spend most of my time with the community. I agree with the many of the things the author mentioned about communication with the family in my life. Thought personal experience how important communication with family and is and I understand how it affect me. One of the article from Oxford was talking about how important the family and family patterns. Family varies culture, socially and politically, but what all image of the family have a common is that we are based on formed and maintained thought communication. Mitchell Miller, the University of Chapman. The second article I found in Love to Know. It is talking about how important family communication. When you are able to communication with family members, you will be able to share what you believe and learn what others feel in right. Marceline Hardy. The third one is communication is the parent their children in the school. BBC Library research article by Clan and Lumsden. The fourth article I researched from VVC library between mother and child communication. This discusses the effect of the maternal communication fear on fears on children physiologically fears. Compare and contract. Compare to all those articles, all those express how important communication with family. All of the reverse talking how successful and meaningful the communication system with you and your family. In family communication, in the whole family to communicate with the family, still in some society, parents and children do not see a communication system between them. so there are often conflict and problem between family. For this reason, given in each article is about improving communication with family and understanding how valuable it is. So often communication not only family, not only children, not only adults, but also for everyone. Communication is more important to every relationship. All of those source under undersource the important to communication. Comparing the press article with the second article reveals how culture and how they maintain their communication with the family and how important it is. The third article compare the with the fourth critical. Both article know about how important to communicate with mother between children. All article explain to me how to the family important and how to communicate important to the family. Opinion and source. I agree with their four sources. The press article from Oxford, how and why the importance of family communication and family patterns. The second article from Love to Know explain how and why the importance of family communication between family members. The third article from BBC Library explain how to communication with parents their children in the school. It's mentioned us how and why is important to us, important to school. The fourth one also BBC Library article explain mother and children communication peer. This is my work citation. Thank you very much.